to whom much is given, much is expected, right? But you manage the small stuff first. You are hoping to have 10 employees. Where's the one that God gave you?
Yeah.
Are you looking after that
Them.
one, right? You're looking to have a big life and be on TV and be speaking like this. What are you doing with the daily stuff? What are you doing with the person that God has put in front of you for you to encourage, for you to help out of the difficult situation? So prayer plays a role in a sense that, you know, prayer doesn't change situations. It changes us. So, I mean, I prayed for my mother to be alive. My mother is late. My mother is late, and I was praying. I was full of faith. I was believing.
Yeah.
I've seen other people get healed of the same stroke that she had, including my own grandmother. I've seen her get healed, and she didn't get the same amount of prayer that I prayed for my mother.
Yeah.
You understand what I mean? So I didn't even understand. So sometimes you're in situations that you don't understand, but the prayer might not change the situation, but it can strengthen you. It can change you to be able to handle the difficult time that you are in.